Hey everyone, Reza here, and today I'm going to talk about some of the changes that we have done in Calico 331 that allows you to create a Talos environment with Calico eBPF. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a patch for Talos. This is because I want the CNI, which comes default package with Talos, to be disabled. Next, I'm going to issue a talosctl command to create the actual environment in podman. It will take a second, but at the end, this will give me a couple of answers. Now I'm going to copy this endpoint for Kubernetes. Next, I'm going to use the talosctl command to export the kubeconfig file. After I've done that, I need to use this IP address in this file because at the moment it's trying to communicate to an IP address that is not routable for my Mac and switch this IP address. To give you a little bit of context, this is just a command that does that because I forgot to copy the actual IP address. So basically, I'm trying to tell you I know what I'm trying to say. Now that the IP is changed, I'm going to export the kubeconfig as an environment variable. This will allow my kubectl to communicate with my cluster. As you can see, my cluster is not ready because I don't have any CNIs in here. I only have kubeproxy. Again, you can have kubeproxy or don't. Calico eBPF mode will replace kubeproxy if you need it. So next, I'm going to install the Tigera Operator for Calico 331, and next, I'm going to use a new configuration. So this is part of the changes that are coming in Calico 331. After you have your operator, you create a Felix configuration, which tells where to put the eBPF objects for C groups. By default, this is var somewhere in the Linux, but because of the immutability of Talos, we are telling Calico to stash these objects here. Now that you are done with this configuration, all you need to do to install Calico is to create the familiar installation file. It will take a couple of seconds, but if you look through Tigera status command, it will tell you what is happening. All right, that's about it. As you can see, Calico is now available. I can also verify it by doing a kubectl get pods. So all you need is to disable Talos CNI, the default CNI, and create a Felix configuration. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.